welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellie. Today we are going to be crafting. We're gonna actually go ahead and continue with my Farmhouse Kitchen Traveler's Notebook series. We're gonna continue with the decorating portion, which is my favorite part. We're gonna be decorating my dashboards. So on the next video, we're going to decorate planner number 2. Today we're only going to do planner number 1. It's just easier for me to focus when I'm going to do one planner at a time. So that way I know what I kind of need to do in the other one. But let me walk you through, guys, what I prepped for today's video. So I actually went ahead and I did all of my die cutting. I used my Sizzix machine. And so what I usually do is when I have the leftover paper from these little divider dashboards, whatever you call them, then I go ahead and I just cut out a lot of different little pieces, and I kind of just look through the paper, through the patterns, and I just pick a few colors, a few designs that I think are going to match well with what I currently have going on here. So these are all ready for me to go and use. There's a variety of different, designs, different sizes. I also went ahead and I cut up all of my little pull apart cards. These are perfect to use also within my dashboards. And one thing that I need to get that I completely forgot to pull out is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This is working fabulously, by the way, in case you guys saw my Temu haul. These little storage scrapbook papers work tremendously. So this is planner number 2, and we'll work on this on the next video, hopefully. We're also going to be incorporating some of these 12 by 12 stickers. And along with that, I pulled out some embellishments. Of course, I need my bling. It's kind of, what I'm known for with my little planners, along with my pom-pom trim. And then I just pulled out some other little stickers. I was going through my stickers because I do like to incorporate like Dollar Tree type of stickers into my planners, or just stickers from like other companies. As long as they go with the theme, why not? It's a great way to use up my stickers. So I pulled these up just because they're very much more, I feel like they kind of have the tonality that this planner is kind of going for. So like this has the little clock with the rooster up top, so cute. And then you have like the little birds, why not? There's another clock here, a little house here, the older lamp, the kitchen fork and the spoon, which is so cute. So I don't know, I may be using some of them, I may be not, depending on what I can achieve here. And then Cynthia, in one of my surprise boxes, she had sent me this little set right here, and I think I may be using a few of these little like wood chip phrases. So why not? Along with all of that, I have all of my adhesives and my tools ready to go, as well as some gold washi tape. This is like gold foil washi tape, and I always usually like to incorporate some washi tape within my planner decor as well. This little tool from Temu has been working amazing. I used it to cut up all of my little pull apart cards, even some of my little scraps, and I love it. It's a must-have, you guys. I have my glue gun heating up, and then I have my ATG glider loaded and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started, because this may be a long video. I'm gonna set my cover to the side so that it's out of my way, and then we'll just work with like one dashboard at a time. have it, let me give you guys a quick run through of all of my dashboards. Wow, I feel really, really rusty. I feel like I couldn't really think or focus, but I do love how they turned out for the most part, and I'll tell you which little areas I feel like probably needed a little work. This one I think is perfect. I love how this one turned out. So this is the front, just so you can get a better view without being distracted from seeing this. Then you have this back piece. Sometimes simplicity is really, really good. Then we have this one right here. I feel like this one could have been a little bit better, but I do love the idea of like putting the little fruits on the menu. And then here we have the one with the little spoons. I think what brought it together was the little pearls. really cute overall. And then here we have this one, which I think is probably, believe it or not, my favorite. I love how this and this one came out. So really cute. Sometimes you just need to add a little pop of color to really tie everything in together. And then lastly, here we have this one. I feel like this needs maybe some kind of a phrase in black or something, but I definitely know I don't think I have anything that'll go. But I do love the little black basket with the little eggs. And then this one right here, again, very simple, but I feel like the little yellow rhinestones just kind of elevated a little bit. But that's it, you guys. Those are my dashboards for TN number 1. And I'm pretty tired, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me till the very end if you made it this far. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new and stopping by. I hope you decide to join me. And make sure you guys turn on your bell button so that whenever I upload my videos, you get notified and you don't miss out. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!